there are still insurance approved shops, correct?
Yes, we are also insurance approved.
Okay.
So there's no issue there. We're using all the top insurance standards.
Awesome.
We're all the insurance qualified parts, whether it's aftermarket or original or even used. There's certain standards that we would have to use.
So from an insurance, and I'm sorry to cut you off, but if I don't blur it out,
Yeah, no problem.
I'm going to end up forgetting. So if you have an insurance appraiser comes in, looks at the vehicle, and says to you, "This is the budget that you have to be within." Like I'm speaking from total ignorance here. I have no idea how the system. I think I know how the system works, but this is why I'm trying to delve into it more for our listeners and help have better understanding of how the insurance actually works. So I get into a car accident on the highway. Tow truck driver says, "I want to bring you. This is the shop you want to go to."
Mm-hmm.
And I say, no. I know my friend Charbel owns a shop. I want it taken there. And does that mean that my insurance will push back to say, no, you should be using our approved shop potentially? So if I'm with, let's say, Aviva,
Yeah.
and they say, no, you've got an Aviva shop that's 500 feet from Charbel's shop. We want you to take it there. Do I still have the right as an owner of the vehicle to say where I want my vehicle repaired?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely, Mike. You as a motorist have the right to choose what shop you want to bring it to.
Okay.
You cannot be bullied to take it to a certain shop. You as a motorist have the right to take it where you want.
Because I think there is honestly a lot of shades of gray in there where people think that they are obligated to do exactly what their insurance company tells them, and they're forced to have to go to a shop that, quite frankly, might be inconvenient for them.
Yeah.
Right? Like I know that there's a TD shop out in Stony Creek that I know of that recently opened a couple of years ago. And if I'm living in Grimsby or Hamilton, and that's the only shop, if I've got a guy up the road that I know or have heard of or done a Google review and seen that, gee, he's pretty good, why can't I take it there? Because he's 2 blocks away from my house.
Mm-hmm.
I still have that right.
That's right. Yeah, exactly. It's your car. It's your right, your choice.
And there shouldn't be any pushback from the insurance.
No, there shouldn't. There, like, I think
I bet there is.
There is. But I think a lot
is.
of them understand now, like, because they're based, like, their business is customer service, right? They want you to be happy. They want you to recommend their insurance company. So I feel like now there's less pushback.
Okay.
As long as the shop that they're going to offers a lifetime guarantee, right? They'll be okay with it.
How does that work?
So
tell me about a lifetime guarantee.
Well, that's what I was talking about with the paint, right?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like with PPG paint, there's a guarantee on our paint, on our base clear, or our primer base and clear, as well as we have an in-house guarantee, right? Like,
okay. We'll talk about that, man.
Yeah. That's like if there's an issue with the car or the repair that we did,
right?
You could just bring it back and we'll fix it for you.
So we're talking about, like, you see these cars that are driving down the road and the clear coat is all peeled off, like the Hondas.
Yeah.
I see a lot of them.
Yeah.